Back to the channel, glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about onion peel water, what you can use it for, its health benefits, its household uses, and a couple of precautions I want you to bear in mind before using onion water. Now, onion peel water is obtained by steeping onion peels in water, and it can be used for many purposes because it has health and culinary benefits. For example, in food you can use it for broth and stock based, but please make sure that the onions you get are organic, and then you can use the peel. So in order to make the broth, you can use them for the base of soups, stews and broths in order to add the flavor and the depth, and it helps you to add the onion flavor as well as the benefits. You can also use them to cook rice, quinoa and other grains in order to infuse them with the flavor and the color. You can use them for marinades, but here on the channel we usually talk about health and wellness tips and tricks, and here are 3 ways that I use onion peel water for health, starting with a hair rinse. Now, onion peel water has so many benefits for the hair. After shampooing, you can use the onion peel water, of course, after it is strained and cooled down, as a final rinse to promote hair growth, reduce dandruff and add shine. You can also dilute it with more water and add in a little bit of a rose water in order to help with the scent and the aroma. You can also use it as a skin toner, perfect for helping with the oily skin specifically. So cool the onion peel water, add it in some rose water in there as well to dilute it and to give it the full aroma, and also to help in tightening the pores, reducing inflammation and promoting clear skin. You can also use it for sunburn relief. Now, apply the cold onion water to the sunburned skin in order to soothe the irritation, reduce redness and promote healing. You could also use it for household uses, and this is my favorite way to use it. Now, I love using onion water specifically for plant fertilization, especially when it comes to household plants, when it comes to golden pothos and a couple of my favorite plants as well. They love onion water. So in order to use it as a fertilizer, you dilute the onion peel water with additional water, and then after it has cooled down, you use it to water the house plants or the garden plants once or twice per month. The nutrients from the onion peel water can really help to nourish the plants. It really gets down to the roots as well and helps to fertilize them naturally. You can also use it as an insect repellent. So if you have a problem with insects, mosquitoes, flies, ants, you can spray the onion peel water around the doorways, windows and outdoor areas in order to deter insects. Now, you could also add in a couple of drops to the onion peel water, a couple of drops of citronella essential oil, because this also helps to repel the insects. Now, if you don't have citronella, you can also use rosemary essential oil. Just a couple of drops to the spray bottle with the onion peel water works amazing. You could also use it as a natural dye for fabrics, Easter eggs and other craft projects, and you could also use it to create shades of yellow, orange and brown depending on the concentration. If you are thinking of using onion peel water, there's a couple of precautions I want you to bear in mind, especially when you want to use it for the hair or the skin. In terms of allergies, now there are some people who are allergic to either onions or onion peels, and if you do experience any of the allergic reactions, which is basically we've got itching, swelling or difficulty breathing after using the onion peel water, please discontinue using it and seek medical attention. You could also face problems with staining, in terms of it may stain fabrics and surfaces, especially if you use the red onion. Now, why do I prefer using the red onion or a combination of red and white? Is because the red onion is much more healthier. It also contains concentrated forms of quercetin, which is really important when it comes to using it for the health, when it comes to using it internally as well. Quercetin is a wonderful compound that can help us in so many ways. Also, when it comes to storing it, how can I store onion peel water to keep it fresh? Well, you can start it by storing it in the refrigerator. Use it within a few days to prevent it from going bad, and if it does develop a bad odor or a bad appearance or any kind of mold, please discard it. It's just absolutely not worth reusing it that way. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, have a great day.